Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent airbag faults and electrical shorts. Once done, move to the shifter trim. Lift the rear edge and pull rearward while prying the front tabs gently with a plastic trim tool. This exposes the 8mm screws. Make sure to lift the e-brake boot out of its slot so you can access and remove any mounting screws. These initial actions free the top trim so you can work downward without forcing components. With top trim off, locate and remove the 4 main 10mm bolts, 2 under the shifter area and 2 toward the rear near the cup holder. Then disconnect electrical connectors, cigarette lighter, ashtray illumination, and any AUX ports because those will prevent lifting. Once unplugged, lift the center armrest to reveal any hidden clips or screws. Release those and begin pulling the console rearward with firm, even pressure to disengage side clips. This prevents broken tabs and lets the console come free. After freeing the console, tilt the rear up to access any HVAC or dash connectors and unplug them. You may need a small flashlight to see terminals clearly. Once fully removed, inspect all removed pieces and mounting clips. Replace any cracked or compressed clips to ensure a snug refit. When reinstalling, reconnect electricals first, test the lighter and lights, then lower console and torque bolts to factory spec. If a clip won't seat, check for hidden screws or trapped wiring before forcing it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.